Morning students, welcome to your SST class. I hope all of you fit and healthy at your home. Today we will do the revision test paper second. Let's start. Today's class is, what is the date today? The date is 2nd March 2021. This revision test paper based on chapter 17, 18, 25 and chapter 27. These four chapters are coming in your annual examination. Your annual examination is based on MCQS type questions. In SST subject, there is a 50 questions and all questions are MCQ types questions. Okay, and in your annual examination, the maximum marks is 90 marks, 10 marks for your project. Okay, beta, I hope all things are clear now. So, you have to 90 minutes. In 90 minutes, you have to complete all 50 question in SST subject. And when you complete now all 50 questions in your exam, first all of you check now all questions you attempt now properly. After that, you have submit your test paper, your exam paper. Okay, and before 10 to 15 minutes I hope all of you done now your work and you have to submit now, because this is very good for you. And only one time all of you submit now your paper, because in the last time, when the time is over now, in last minute, in a last moment, there is some network issue. So I think 5 to 10 minutes before you have to submit your paper. Okay, beta? So let's start today's first question. In test paper, first question is, this is the choose the correct option, and all questions are based on these chapters. Okay. First question is, the golden fiber of India is called golden fiber, sugarcane, jute, rayon. Rayon, it is an artificial fiber, and the golden fiber, it's a jute. Okay. So right option will here B option. Question number 2 is, iron and steel industry is the example of industries. Small scale industries, cottage industries, small scale industries, large scale industries. Which one is the correct? Cottage industry, it is a very small industry and it is started at your home. Large scale industry, it is a large comparison to this industry. But the iron and steel industry, it is the backbone of the industry and it is the large scale industries. Okay, TCS, for example, TCS. Okay, for your E option will here correct. Next question is, and from the industry, which the oldest industry in our country? The backbone industry of the iron and steel industry is the backbone of the all industries. And which industry is the oldest industry? Anyone tell me? It's a textile industry. Here is a confusion now. Some students are tell me, ma'am, iron and steel industry is the oldest. No, it's wrong. Textile industry is the oldest industry in our country. Okay. The next question is, it is used to sweeten tea, coffee and milk. It means, which one is used to sweeten tea, coffee and milk? Tea leaf? No. Sugar? Salt? It's a wrong totally. Tea leaf, it is used to making a tea. That's why it's a wrong. Right option will here sugar. Okay. Your right option will here sugar. Next question is, railway coaches are produced at Punjab, Bengal, Haryana. Railway coaches are produced at Punjab. Okay, and railway engines are produced at West Bengal, Chitranjan in West Bengal, and DLW, it's a Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Always you remember now. According to this question, railway coaches, it's a Punjab. Okay. Next question is, people above year of age can vote. It means in our country, what is the limit of the age to voting? It's a 18 years. 18 years. 188. 18 years. A option will here correct. So everyone do this test paper in your revision copy, and you have to practice now same this type of question. Next part of this test paper, it is a true false. Okay, then move to the next question. It is a true false. Question number B. T for true beta, F for false. First question is, all of you right now with me. Cattle waste is not used as manure. Tell me. A true, B false, C none of these. None of these. Next question number 2 is, next question is, the white revolution is a movement which gives importance to the increase in the milk production. It's a true, it's a false. A true, B false, C none of these. Next question is, question number 3 is, everyone right now with me. Coffee and cocoa are produced in Kerala and Karnataka. A true, B false, C none of these. Next question is, everyone right now, question number 4. Question number 4 is, the textile industry is the oldest and the largest industry in our country. Okay, A is true, B is false, C is none of these. Okay beta, all of you right now the answers from this question. After that I am discuss with you. First question is, look at here everyone. Cattle waste is not used as manure. Cattle waste is used as a manure. Here's I'm giving now not. That's why this sentence is a false. Okay. Then next question is, the White Revolution is a movement which gives importance to the increase in the milk production. Yes, White Revolution means to increase the milk production. It's a true sentence. Here A option will here correct. The next question is question number 3. Coffee and cocoa are produced in Kerala and Karnataka, and third state is also Tamil Nadu. Okay, that's why this sentence is a true. And spices for in Kerala and Karnataka. If I mention in spices there is a Tamil Nadu, that's why it's a wrong. Okay. Coffee and cocoa are produced in Kerala and Karnataka. It's a true. Next question is question number 4. Textile industry is the oldest and the largest industry in our country. Yes, it is a true. And iron and steel industry is the backbone of all industries. All of you write down these 4 true false in your copy. For true false, then move to the next question. All of you write now these questions. Next question is, all of you write now question number 5 from true false. Every independent country has a constitution, a true, B false, C none of these. Okay. Question number 6 is, all men and women above 21 years of age have the right to vote. A true, B false, C none of these. Okay beta. Next question number 7. All of you write down now with me. Question is, constitution means right to vote. Constitution means right to vote. It's a true, it's a false, C none of these. Next question is question number 8. All of you write now question number 8. Question number 8, all of you write now. Bankim Chatterjee Chatterjee, who wrote our national song. A true, B false, C none of these. All of you see now here, all of you students, look at here everyone. Question number 5. Every independent country has a constitution. Here, what is the meaning of this word constitution? Constitution means it is a set of rules and regulation which any country is governed. Okay. Every independent country has a constitution. Yes, it's a true. And who wrote it? Wrote Mr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay, and it is the very largest constitution, and its time is 2 years 11 months, maybe 17 to 18 days. So all of you remember it. Next question is, all men and women above 21 years of age have the right to vote. No, it's a 18 years. It's a 18 years. All men and women above 18 years of age have the right to vote. It's a false. Here is 21. That's why here is a false. Next question is question number 7. Constitution means right to vote. Only right to vote? No. It is a set of rules and regulation. Many things in our constitution. That's why this sentence is a false. Okay. Only it is a not right to vote. It have many things. It means it gave us to for fundamental rights. There is a many rules and regulation. Okay, and which is helpful to govern any country. Okay, so it is a part, not a it means not a whole. It is a part, only one part, a little part. That's why this sentence is a false. Next question is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who wrote our national song. Our national song is the Vande Mataram. Okay, all of you remember it. And our national anthem is a Jan Gan Man. And who wrote it? Jan Gan Man? The great poet Rabindranath Tagore. And Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who wrote our national song. It's a true. And what is our national song? It's the Vande Mataram. Same this pattern all of you follow now, and all of you practice more and more MCQ types questions and solve all revision test paper 1 and 2 also in your copy, which is very helpful to your exam. And some GS type questions all of you learn now, like that: who is the prime minister of our country, who is the president of our country current, who is the current CM of Uttar Pradesh, who is the current governor of Uttar Pradesh, who is the, this type of question all of you wrote now, learn now. Okay beta. And one more thing, or also, who wrote our constitution? Just I told you, Mr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. These 5 questions all of you remember it. Okay, this question I am sent in a class work. In next class I will send you. Who is the prime minister, who is the governor of your state, who is the CM, who wrote our constitution. These 5 questions all of you write down in your copy also. These 5 questions are very important for your exam. Okay, and all of you revise now these test paper 1 and 2 also, and revise all 4 chapters from my videos. Okay beta, till then have a nice day and best of luck for your annual exam.